Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have another tutorial showing you how to make a BT21 character, and this one is a magical cookie named SHOOKY. So to make the body, we're going to take a ball of brown clay and flatten it out into a circle and then pinch it into an oval shape. For the arms and legs, we're going to take some dark brown clay and roll it into a cylinder and then cut it into a slant. And we're going to place that on the body, 2 on the bottom for legs, and 2 on the side for arms. And here I have 1 going downwards and 1 pointing upwards. And using a dotting tool, I'm making an indent to make the mouth, and I'm trying to make it into a banana shape so it looks like it's smiling. And for the face, I'm giving it 2 dot eyes. One thick angry eyebrow, and 1 horizontal thinner eyebrow, and a little rectangular piece of white clay for the teeth. And once complete, you want to bake according to instructions, and there you have your very own SHOOKY, the magical cookie. And I think on the website it's called Yummy Head, which I think gets lost in translation somewhere. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to check out my previous videos as well as the ones that are about to come out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.